Welcome to Local BD Talks. In this video, let us see the state symbols of Goa. The state motto of Goa is, "May everyone see goodness, may no one suffer any pain." The state animal of Goa is Gaur or gaurus. The state bird of Goa is Throated Yellow Bulbul. The state tree of Goa is Matti tree. State flower of Goa is red jasmine. Grey mullet is the state fish of Goa. The state emblem. State sport of Goa is football. The state fruit is cashew. Goa has the state heritage tree, that is coconut tree. State instrument is gumot. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.